Lawmakers are set for a classified briefing about those mystery drones flying over many parts of the East Coast. The Pentagon also set to take questions today at a briefing. It and several other agencies insist these drones don't pose a threat at this time.
Is something strange happening over New Jersey right now? Or is this just mass hysteria, as Stephen Greenstreet of the New York Post suggested on X, triggered by the recent UFO-UAP congressional hearings? Either way, media outlets worldwide are reporting on these events, which have been going on for several weeks. Elon Musk seems to be taking it lightly, posting memes with his usual sense of humor. Others, however, believe we're in the midst of an alien invasion, and some even claim religious forces are at work. There are even rumors that an Iranian mothership is operating in American airspace, an idea as curious as it sounds. Unfortunately, for copyright reasons, we can only show a limited number of videos, but we've linked them below so you can check them out for yourself. We've spared no effort in researching this video. Hours were spent watching and analyzing the footage to bring you our findings. Mysterious drone sightings around the world. There have been numerous mysterious drone activities worldwide in recent weeks. Some of these are likely tied to espionage. For example, in mid-November, a drone penetrated the military exclusion zone around the British aircraft carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth in Hamburg, Germany. This drone, possibly linked to China, measured about 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters, much larger than standard private drones. Several US military bases in the UK, particularly around Norfolk and Suffolk, also reported drone incursions in late November. The BBC confirmed increased scrutiny of airspace following these incidents. In December, the important US base at Ramstein, Germany, was spied on by unknown drones, according to Newsweek. Similarly, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio had to temporarily suspend flight operations due to suspicious drone activity. And let's not forget the drone wave in France a few years ago, where multiple nuclear power plants were targeted by mysterious drones, an event still etched in memory. The press conferences. On December the 12th, National Security Spokesman John Kirby addressed the issue in a press conference.
And importantly, there are no reported or confirmed drone sightings in any restricted airspace.
However, his statement, "There are no reported or confirmed drone sightings in restricted airspace," sparked outrage because it was untrue. A few days later, on December the 17th, Pentagon Press Secretary Major General Pat Ryder took questions. When asked by Tara Kopp from AP whether the drones were DoD assets or being tested by the Defense Department, Ryder responded, "They are not DoD assets." Conventional explanations. Are these drones simply conventional aircraft mistaken for something else? Many aircraft have lights, landing lights, navigation lights, or anti-collision lights that can cause confusion, especially in dark or cloudy conditions. Cameras often struggle in low light, increasing image noise, which can distort what's captured. The New York Post recently explained one of these triangular lights in the sky in a video titled "Drone Mystery Solved." However, conventional aircraft alone can't explain all the recent sightings over New Jersey and beyond. So what's it all about? Well, it's still unclear. It's safe to say these are not Imperial TIE fighters, as Senator Doug Mastriano jokingly posted. However, the US government almost certainly knows more than it's revealing, given that mysterious drones are appearing worldwide, especially near sensitive locations like aircraft carriers, military bases, and nuclear power plants. This is not a trivial matter. What do you think? Are we witnessing a major cover-up, espionage operations, or something even stranger? Let us know in the comments.